Alright, so it's been a while since I've vlogged. Honestly, the real reason that I wasn't uploading vlogs to my channel was because the old camera I used, the Panasonic G7, just had the worst autofocus ever. But now I've got the Sony a7 III. I've got a little bit more faith in this camera, keeping me in focus without having to be behind the camera. Another reason why I'm vlogging is because I've got Ken Dono, the Originaldobo, with me.
It's cold.
The one thing I hate about the Sony a7 III is I can't see myself. I don't have the flip out screen, but he's up here. He's up in the Northeast. We're gonna be flying at a couple of different locations, and I'm super excited to finally get out and fly. I'm hoping to hit like 5 or 6 hours total flight time.
Oh, it's gonna be epic today. But it's so cold. Holy
it's
cow,
really
I can't
not.
feel my fingers.
It's really not all that cold.
Oh,
so
it's cold, dude. Don't lie. Don't lie to them.
I'm excited. All the drones.
You know, 20 people said they were showing up.
Oh,
I want to get the
drones. And how many showed up?
What do we have? 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ken
9.
counts as 2. How's this cold weather treating you?
Bro, my hands are so cold, dude. I can't even see it.
Oh, that was awesome.
I can't even see it.
All right, so it is day number 2 of Ken being here in Philly. This is actually the first day that we're flying Philly. Well, we flew those stacks, or the stack, in the beginning, and now we are in Center City flying around the William Penn statue. We should have probably said this earlier, but there's going to be a little bit of a competition video. So we're both flying Mavics. He's got the Zoom, I've got the Pro, so I guess we kind of have like unfair advantages.
Yeah.
You can zoom in, I've got the better camera. But anyway, go ahead and watch his video if you guys haven't yet, his vlog. He's gonna throw some of his footage in there. Obviously you guys are seeing some of my footage here, and let us know whose you think is best.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kick his ass.
Trying to get it to where. All right, there we go. Oh, dude, I hate the fact that I'm even gonna do this.
Just for context,
I'm a pussy with this.
you know, I was gonna put it on the ledge too, but
I can't even do it, dude. I'm such a baby. I can't even do it. Ow!
so that about wraps it up for this video. I think that most of the footage shown in this vlog here was some of the best that I've ever shot. It's kind of hard to fly in Philly just because I've flown like every single angle so many times. It all seems the same to me, but looking at that footage from the SS United States, a place I've never flown before, really did stand out to me. Now, the reason Ken was up here was because we were shooting our Overcast podcast. If you guys aren't familiar, I started up a podcast with him. It's over on another channel. I'll leave a link to that down in the description if you guys want to go check out that channel, subscribe, and also listen to the podcasts. That would be awesome. Also, I think I'm going to start doing some more vlogs just because I had a ton of fun doing this. I had a ton of fun sharing the footage that I shot, and a lot of times when I'm flying, I don't ever post the footage that I shoot just because I'm so busy doing tutorial videos or something like that. But I gotta stop showing you guys how to do stuff and do it myself because it's a ton of fun. Anyway, guys, hope that you enjoyed the video. Be sure to go and check out Ken's version of this video. Again, we kind of had this battle to see who could shoot the better drone footage. I'm excited to see his. I still haven't seen his. I dropped him off at the airport just a little bit ago. So he's editing. He's gonna upload his, and I can't wait to see it. But guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, I'll talk to you later. Peace.